Be ready for dictation. 5 seconds.
Start. The Learned Counsel for the Appellant Corporation submitted that the High Court was in grave error in directing the Appellant Corporation to make the writ petitioner permanent by granting all benefits with effect from 1992. Full stop. It was submitted that the writ petitioner was never appointed in accordance with the requirement procedure on regular basis, nor he was qualified to be appointed as compounder cum dresser. Full stop. No doubt, when the corporation stopped engaging the workman in 1996, he raised an industrial dispute and in a reference, industrial tribunal passed an award of reinstatement in favor of the employee, which was confirmed by the High Court. Full stop. To that extent, the corporation cannot make any grievance as the order has become final. Full stop. The workman was accordingly reinstated and was also paid back wages as per the directions in the award. Full stop. The council, however, submitted that the limited grievance of the Appellant Corporation is that the High Court, in exercise of power under Article 226 of the Constitution, could not have directed the corporation to make the writ petitioner permanent and grant benefit on that basis from 1992. Full stop. Para. The Learned Counsel for the respondent workman, on the other hand, supported the order passed by the High Court. Full stop. He submitted that when the action of determination of services of the workman was held to be bad and the reference was allowed and award was passed in favor of the workman, granting reinstatement and full back wages, the order passed by the High Court in the writ petition could not be objected. Full stop. It is a consequential action based on earlier award. Full stop. Even otherwise, the workman was entitled to all the benefits including permanency and payment of wages and other reliefs. Full stop. It was made explicitly clear in the award passed by the industrial tribunal that the relief of permanency was not considered in view of the fact that a petition instituted by the workman was pending in the High Court and ambit and scope of reference was limited to termination of services of the workman. Full stop. The High Court, therefore, considered the facts and circumstances and rightly granted relief in favor of the writ petitioner. Full stop. Para. It was also submitted that the petitioner could not be said to be not qualified to be appointed as compounder oblique dresser. Full stop. He was appointed as early as in 1984. Full stop. Even prior to first termination, he had completed services of more than a decade. Full stop. He had also passed SSC examination as early as in 1969. Full stop. He had obtained nursing certificate from Jabalpur Ambulance Association of India. Full stop. He had cleared first aid examination and was having experience of more than 2 decades. Full stop. If in the light of all these facts, comma, the High Court granted relief in favor of the writ petitioner, full stop. It cannot be said that by doing so, comma, the High Court had committed any illegality or impropriety, and the said order requires interference in exercise of disciplinary jurisdiction of this court under Article 136 of the Constitution, full stop, over.